Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please, I come in peace. I'm your humble girl. Now, before you say, who are you to tell us what to do? You don't have any moral right to tell us what to do. I want to use my mouth to say it. Yes, I'm not qualified to advise you people. I understand, it's fine, but I go still talk. Because I wanted to keep quiet, you understand? I don't like insults. I'm not anybody's mate anymore. I'm not the small pikin, you understand? I'm a mother. So most of the time, I just keep quiet. When I see things online, I don't talk. But this one is too much. I have to just talk. And please, let me beg you before I talk ahead. Please, oh, my brothers and sisters, look at this picture.
Wait. Let me enlarge it so that you can see very well. I don't even know what concern Arya Star inside the matter self. What is this? How can a girl wear this type of thing? I mean, look at her, the two slippers on her chest. Just look at, you for not just kukuma just wear top now. If you just no say you just walk out for road the naked, they go like mad person. What is all this? What do you stand to gain? Okay, if people are even like clapping for you, self, it's a different thing. If you need to see the insults that follow that, just see the insults. See comments. They are both nudies. They love showing their flesh, thinking we're carnivores. Who said they are beautiful? Why are they even attaching her to Arya Star? Look at the insults you are causing for my Arya Star self. If you don't get money to buy material, contact me. I will give you money to buy material. Stop disgracing our fellow women.
I beg. I know it's not my business, but please, let's be giving ourselves some small respect. See the picture. Look at this outfit, guys. I beg. Let's tell the truth. I know I'm not the best. I'm not a pastor. I'm not in a good position to even, but I don't still grow. I don't senior many people now. So I feel just advise my younger ones. Please, madam, my love, you're a very beautiful girl. You just a start. Enter well. Don't make the mistakes that others made. You understand? Don't make the mistakes that we made. Before they will drag my name, come outside, make I just call my name. Don't make some mistakes. You have a promising future. You're a talented baby. I beg, this thing, no make the people they disrespect us for this industry. They don't disrespect us rich. No, they package, they wear suits, they dress, we they walk past bankers. We have no closing time. Right, what is all this? This generation, I beg you now. I know someone get sharp mouth where when I will insult me, but please insult me with small respect.
Hey guys, so guys, in case you don't know who ETINOSA is, this is ETINOSA, and trust me guys, I like the fact that she said she's no a saint. I don't know why people don't understand to pick the information, just like these people. Someone said some people they like to learn from other people's experience until they experience their own before them go hayward. That person laughed out loud. They were like, Mama seeing her two slippers on her chest. The other one was like natural beauty. To be honest, she's just making a point. You can see what people have to say in my video, but I don't see why people want to, portray self-work in the name of dressing. And the other gender try to, harass you in that way, people will still say, oh, that's molestation and all of that. But clearly she's saying the truth. She has a point in what she's saying. You just need to pick the advice and forget about who sent it, because she clearly said she's no saint. She may have her past, but she's just putting out her own information. But guys, what do you actually think? Because I really want to know what you think in the comment section based on what she said about that outfit. Do you really think it's worth it to wear that kind of outfit as a lady? What message do you think that lady is trying to pass? Let's just be honest with our answers. I also like to learn, because people have diverse way of understanding. So it won't look as if I'm just talking to myself or just stating my own point. So the next gist, guys, is amidst the whole saga of the CUBANA Chief priest and the other lady, he tries to, show love to his wife and then took her to Bureau to enjoy her birthday. You can see the whole video looking polished, or should I use the word class? Happy birthday, angel. So tell me, if that lady now see this video, she no go mad? Because lately she has, I don't know if I'm the only person that have noticed how consistent that lady is with her complaints to come and do the DNA thing, as in she's just in serious desperation, before I speak rubbish, to get the voice of CUBANA Chief priest based on the alleged son she claimed she had with CUBANA. So in the whole shenanigans, Cubana decided to, take care of the wife. Unyo Douglas, he will always call her and all of that. Take a good look at the time he took to celebrate the wife. Let's also watch and see what the other lady has to say, because I don't know if this is true or not. I don't even know. But guys, I just don't like, hearing one-sided story. That's why I don't want to talk about it. So I wouldn't say if Cubana chief priest is wrong or right, but the whole continuous call out, I think, is getting off hand. If she wants to go through with what she wants to do, let her do it in a legal manner and stop disturbing the social media, because she just woke up late. So if you're new here, please kindly click the subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for always sticking with me. Don't worry, I'll be back again with hot gist the way I used to do. See you guys in my next video. Bye.